going, guys? Today I am back with another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fancy beds in Minecraft. So guys, before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below if this worked for you and everything. So let's get right into doing this. So I already activated the resource pack, and let's get every single bed that is here in our inventory. So let's not waste time and let's get right into getting the stuff that we need. So what we have here are the different colored beds, which are going to be fancy now that I just put the resource pack. So let's start with the white one. Look at that. Oh my, it's so nice. Look at that. So this is going, oh my, there's fire. This, and then let's replace it with the remaining colors that are here. Okay. There's even Steve. Just misplaced that, but don't worry. What comes first, by the way? Purple bed, okay. So these are the beds that these are the fancy beds that the resource pack has. So the white one is a snowman. The gray one, light gray, is skeleton. The dark gray, maybe, I think this is a music disc. The black is a spider. The brown is a dead bush. The red is a mushroom. The orange one is fire. The yellow one is golden apple. The light green one is creeper. Green one is cactus. The cyan one is Steve, and the sky blue is the Minecraft. The world blue is Squid. Purple is the portal, and magenta is like the terracotta that is here. There's a terracotta that looks like this one. Let's see. Magenta glazed terracotta, you see? It is very similar. And the pink one is a pork chop, so you can sleep in one of these beds of your choice. Let's see, time set night and midnight. So I think I like the skeleton one, the spider one, the fire one, and the portal one. Okay, let's sleep first in the skeleton one. Oh, it can be comfortable. Okay. Next, time set day, and I just set it to day, night, and then sleep on the jungle skeleton. Let's do the fire one. You can just leave the bed, and then yeah, it's very similar to when you sleep, but it has designs. It really is fancy. You can even bounce on it. Looks like, this is very nice, guys. And now is the time that I'm going to be teaching you how I made this resource pack that is just on my phone. So let's get into doing this. Okay guys, so now we're at my my home screen, so let's get right into doing this. Okay, so let's go to Master for Minecraft. This is currently the update of MCP Master, I think, because when I search it on Play Store, MCPE update, this showed up. So as you guys can see here, there's going to be maps, buildings, add-ons, skins, textures, and seeds. So press add-ons. There are a lot of add-ons that can add. Avengers Infinity War add-on, Fortnite add-on, Lucky Block add-on, Combat Gears, Tron Bike, Transformers 2004 SCP, Animacraft add-on, Titancraft, Justice League Evolve Dark Update, more TNT. Maybe guys, I need you to comment down below if you want me to get this add-on, more TNT, and let's see what TNT destroys has the most power to destroy first. Star Wars, Slendy Two Beasts, War Robots, Five Nights at Freddy's, TF2 Engineer, Captain America Shield add-on, Golf Buggy, Venom, I really like that, Train, Ford F350, Elemental Friends add-on, oh, so cool, Jetpack add-on, 3D Lightsaber, Crafting Dead PE add-on, Tokyo Metro 6000 series, Demogorgon, Mysterious Sea, Minecraft style SCG 300S Trended Car, FNAF Universe, Maybe Enter Dragon Soul Malone, the Admin Boss, and a ton of more. Creeper Friend add-on, Komodo Dragon add-on, Chococo Boss, Ninjutsu, and a lot more. Okay, I really like this one. So comment down below if you guys want more of these Minecraft add-ons. So we also have maps, custom survival, redstone, PvP, parkour, minigame, custom terrain creation, and adventure. No, Shadow Return, Mutant Hunter, Detection E1 Thief. Oh my. It's really, really nice, guys. You should try this out. It's just free to download on Play Store. This is my skin that I am using. Many people want this. 1.9 million downloads, but in Hacker it only has 1.8 million downloads. Let's go to seeds. So there are other structures, island, landscape, and village. Double village spawn and stronghold. The village in the plain. Awesome. Mountain village, zombie. Oh my god. Zombie village, lake village, ravine village, village among clay and desert seed. This is pretty cool. Huge ravine and village. Lots of ravines, villages, desert temples. Village. Okay, so that's where village. Landscape there. Oh my. It's like a biome. The 4 biomes at spawn. Oh, I should try that out. Island. There's a lot. Let's go to skins. This is going to. Let's go to. Oh my. I can prank someone like my friend. Oh, I can prank anybody with these skins. Slenderman. Entity 303, Jeff the Killer, Herobrine, Hacker, which is currently my skin. I forgot the name of this one. Oh my god. There's a lot of monsters. Let's go to girl. Okay, very decent. Oh my god, there's a lot of girls. I should probably, gift someone with these skins. Boy, oh, they're all. I really like the boy skins. Maybe we should do. If you guys download this app, this should be useful. Look at that. There are a lot of skins to choose from, and you guys can pick whatever you want. It's just for free. You can download it on Play Store. And yeah, so this is how I got my bed. Let's search it. Fancy bed. Let's search for fancy bed. Oh, there's even a 10 pack add-on. Okay, very decent. Oh my god, this is very nice. So guys, make sure to test this out, and you get to experience it for your own. And guys, let's get right to it. So guys, I really do hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button. Comment down below if you already installed the app and if it worked for you. That's about it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.